Hello, today we will be picking the MP70 move-in store hardened lock with a couple of things here. I'm going to start off with some top of the keyway tension. I'm a very amateur picker, so we'll see how well I can do here. Really don't know what I'm doing. I just hear the clicks and I know it's good. Let's just switch picks just because why not? And just like that, it's open. Really no idea what I'm doing, but this lock must suck if I can get it open. And there we go. So second time, took a little long, but it's just how it is.